I'm Craig Curtis, Managing Director of Chad Storer Limited. Our depot's in Potters Bar, just north of London in Hertfordshire, and we've been here since 1966. Before that we had premises in London, in Islington and Holloway and Edmonton. We recycle cardboard, paper and plastics. Everything that comes here is then baled and taken off to the mills around the world for reprocessing into new products. Per week we're processing about 2,000 tonnes. We sell basically all around the world. A lot stays in the UK, quite some goes to Europe, but the vast majority of the material goes to the Far East. We have several JCBs. We have 550/80 Loadalls. We have telly trucks, and we've just got this new 516/40, which is a smaller machine, but it's very useful for what we want it for. We've got a small area that this particular machine needs to operate in. It's got four-wheel steer, so very manoeuvrable, and we can have a small bucket on it because it's just to feed a small hopper with polythene. Polythene's particularly difficult to put up a conveyor, so what we actually wanted to do was load the hopper directly. So we need to reach up to the top of the hopper with a bucket full of polythene and put it directly into the baling machine for baling. It's 100% capable. It's really, really very good. It does exactly what I wanted it to, so I'm very pleased with it. We've had JCB machinery for 18 years now. The first requirement was when we needed to start moving larger amounts of material from one area of the yard to another, so a Loadall was the ideal machine. I find it very useful that JCB have a dedicated Wastemaster special edition of their machines. It is very much a harsh environment for machinery, and JCB put extra products onto the machines that help it maintain its ability to operate well in this industry. With our machines, we either contract hire them from Green Shields or have them on a service contract, which I find the most cost-effective and sensible thing to do. And Green Shields are always just a few hours away when we need them, and they've got a depot quite close to us that does all our service needs. JCBs are always very reliable indeed. I have no issue with them at all. They always start in the morning and always do a day's work, so that's very pleasing to me.